Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the important questions of novel The Old Man and the Sea, written by Ernest Hemingway. There are five important questions in this novel. The first one is symbolism. The use of symbols in the novel to represent abstract ideas. Question number 2 is novel as a tragedy. This question tells us about the nature of the novel, whether it is tragic novel or it is a comic novel. But the novel Old Man and the Sea by Ernest Hemingway seems a tragedy. Tragedy is a novel or a literary genre with unhappy ending. The novel ends with an unhappy ending, so we can call it as a tragedy. Aristotle says that tragedy is an imitation of an action that is serious, embellished with each kind of artistic ornament, having a length and a magnitude, with the purpose of arousing pity and fear. This seems the best ever definition of tragedy. The next very important question is soliloquies. Soliloquy is the act of speaking one's own self. The act of speaking to one's own self in solitude. When a character speaks to himself in solitude, this is known as soliloquies. There are some important soliloquies in the novel. As soliloquies are concerned in English literature, William Shakespeare is very famous for his soliloquies. Question number 4 is characterization. Characterization is always a very important question of novels and English dramas. As far as the novel Old Man and the Sea is concerned, there are two major characters. Number one is the character sketch of Santiago. The other character is the character of Manolin. Santiago is the hero of the novel, while Manolin is his assistant. Only two major characters have been used in this novel, so we will study the characters of Santiago and Manolin. The last very important question is autobiographical elements in the novel. Some writers use the events from their life to write their literary pieces of work. These elements are called autobiographical elements. There are some less important questions in the novel, like the summary of the novel, like the tussle between Old Man and the Sea, Old Man and the sharks, his victory. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. A man is not made for defeat. These are some less important questions, but the questions we have discussed are the most important question as far as the novel is concerned. Inshallah, in next video we will discuss some important question from modern essays. We will also discuss some important presses, and we'll discuss some important dialogues for the paper of 4th year. Allah Hafiz.